boys and girls. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So today, right now, we're going to start on our science, okay? And we're doing day and night. I'm going to read the standard to you, then we're going to get started, okay? So our standard is students will describe time patterns such as day and night and objects such as the sun, the moon, and the stars in the day and night sky. So I have a story I'm going to read you all, and it's called In the Sky. I like to look at the sky. I see the sun in the sky. But I should never look into the sun. The sun is big and bright. It shines in the daytime. I like to look at the sky. I see many stars in the sky. They are little and bright. They shine in the nighttime. I like to look at the sky. I see the moon in the sky. Sometimes the moon is little. Sometimes the moon is big. It is always bright. It shines in the nighttime. I like to look at the sky. I see the sun in the daytime. I see the stars and the moon in the nighttime. I see many objects in the sky. Okay. So we talked about day and night. We talked about what we see in the sky. But right now, I'm going to use my go-around cup so everybody will have a chance, okay? I need you guys to tell me what are some of the things you might do in the daytime, maybe in the morning before you come to school. And what do you do in the nighttime, maybe when you get home from school or right before bed? Okay, so let's see. I'm going to draw a chart. Everyone's going to tell me what they might do in the morning or in the daytime. And what you might do in the nighttime. Let's see. Joshua,
No.
okay. Victor, name something that you do in the daytime. What do you do as your daily routine in the daytime? Maybe when you wake up in the morning, what is the first thing you do in the morning? Victor? You might go to school, so that's something that you do in the daytime, right? Go to school. Christopher's not here today. Chloe. Where's Chloe? Oh, name something you do in the nighttime. Maybe right before you go to bed, or right when you get home from school. Name something you do when it starts to get dark outside. You might watch TV at nighttime, right? Maybe right before you go to bed. Brandy, name something that you do in the daytime.
I go to school.
You go to school. What else do you do? You play with your brothers, maybe on the weekend during the daytime? Taylor, what do you do in the nighttime?
I watch the moon.
You like to watch the moon at night? Does anybody else like to watch the moon at night? Anybody else look out the window, look at the moon? It's relaxing when you look at the sky at night and you see the stars. It's nice and dark and it's calm. Let's see. Zakiah, name something you do in the daytime. You like to go to the beach during the daytime?
No.
Okay. But let's name something that you do on a routine, something that you might do often throughout the day. So like Victor said he goes to school in the daytime, so he does that a lot in the daytime, right? And then Brandy says she likes to play with her brother in the daytime. What do you like to do in the daytime that you might do often or a lot? Okay, I'm going to help you. What do you do in the morning when you wake up?
I play. I watch movies outside.
You brush your teeth. Yes. Don't you do that every day in the daytime? Very good.
Me. Mom.
Devion, what do you do in the nighttime?
I look at the stars.
You like to look at the stars? Okay, boys and girls. So we're going to come back and talk about what we do. So what I want to tell you, I would like to tell you what I do in the daytime. So here's my daytime routine. Here's my daytime routine. When I wake up in the morning, I stretch, get ready for my day. I go into my bathroom. I like to brush my teeth and wash my face. I like to watch the news so I can look at the traffic and the weather. Then I get dressed and I get ready for my day. And at nighttime before I go to sleep, I like to get ready for my day by preparing what I need to do for the next day. So I might have to do some homework. I might have to write some lesson plans. Sometimes I like to watch a little TV or listen to music, and I take my shower and then I go to bed. So those are some of the things I do in the daytime and in the nighttime. So what I want you to do is we're going to right now go and write in our journals one sentence about what you do in the daytime or what you do in the nighttime. And I'd like you to draw a picture so I can see a visual, okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, well let's go.